And India's Trade Minister Piyush Goyal said that India should be able to resolve its differences with the United States and conclude a fair, equitable and balanced bilateral trade agreement.
There's any need to panic. We should allow the negotiations to happen. We continue to have very good relations with the United States, and I'm sure that we'll be able to resolve some of these issues and come to a equitable, fair and balanced agreement.
Well, relations have been strained recently over the US imposing 50% tariffs on Indian goods and India's purchases of Russian oil. Goyal emphasized that both countries are committed to finding a solution, with India aiming to finalize the deal by November. Now, while talks with the US continue, India is actively expanding trade ties globally. Free trade agreements have been finalized with multiple countries. Relations with China are also gradually returning to normal as border tensions ease. Now, Goyal highlighted that each trade relationship is being pursued based on its its unique strengths. Now, India has maintained that strategic sectors like agriculture and energy remain off limits in negotiations despite US pressure. Washington has accused India of profiteering through Russian energy, but India defends its purchases as necessary for its domestic needs. Goyal noted that historic India-US ties have weathered previous challenges, including sanctions after the 1998 nuclear tests. Meanwhile, Trump called the trade relationship with India a one-sided disaster. He warned India that it's getting late to finalize an agreement, while emphasizing that tariff measures have been his key tool in negotiating trade deals with countries like the EU and Japan. Despite his strong rhetoric, channels for dialogue with India remain open, though negotiations on both sides have reportedly expressed frustration at delays and repeated changes in expectations.